Okay, give me a sec here. I think I'm hearing a feedback loop somewhere. There we go. Think it's gone now. Okay, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're viewing from. Hope everyone had a great Easter if you celebrate Easter. And welcome back to the charts. Welcome back to the charts. So, what we're gonna start off with here is to see if we get a closure here to continue bearish. So I'm on a 50-minute time frame here, but what we really want to see is a closure here based on the 30, right? Bearish closure. I know what target is down here. As you can see, we rejected 3500, which is very important number. So there is a chance we continue in this range here for a couple days this week. Or maybe not a couple days, but because this is like two some pips. Yeah, maybe not just a couple days, but so we could get a support from here. Alright, a support could form around this support to continue to push the upside. That would also be good. Right, so we're just waiting right now. We're on an opening 19 minutes. Wait, is this yeah, 18 minutes. I'll look at my clock to make sure it's right. Mm, 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 mm. I think we could get some nice potentially some nice moves here. I think we can get some nice moves here. Let me see this. can I put this on this side here? I can, right? Put this here. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that could work. I don't need to be over there. Mm. Yeah, I also do hope my internet holds up. I don't know what's been happening for the last couple of days. It's been terrible. All this evening earlier on it's been awful. Earlier on yesterday it's been, yeah, haven't been good at all. So let's hope I don't get too much of a terrible um drop. So notice we have no top wick here, right? On the current 30-minute candle. So there is a chance that if we break above, we're gonna continue up all the way. Notice the pip count has been a bit high as well. I think this is going to be a trade here. I think this could be a trade there. Break out the high and continue up. London open in 15 minutes. Yeah, I think we can get this. I think we can get this. So I've executed on this. Now, keep in mind the stop loss is gonna be a bit big, right? Because of the pip count. So purpose reason for this trade, right? Major rejection, right? Major rejection. We fail to continue bearish, right? Now, when we have a major rejection, when we have a big rejection like that, like a weak candle with a wick like this is a big rejection candle. Now, the 50-minute candle, did not form the first 15 minutes of the 30-minute candle did not form a top wick, right? So you can anticipate, we can anticipate um, a flip somewhat, right, to the upside because we have rejection. Now, if you go in 5 minutes, we're gonna see a little more details here, right? We came down with form support and we just all the way back up. Now, there is a chance here that it creates a top we can continue down, like what's happening now. And you're gonna see this here. This is unfortunate. Man, just come back and already looking to take an L. Oh wow. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna chill. I am going to chill. I will not take another. This wasn't that bad idea though. We're bullish. Everything break to the high. Volume coming in soon. This wasn't a bad trade idea. This really wasn't a bad trade idea. Hmm. I guess try to take an impulse entry there. Let's see. Man, that was a 40, yeah, 43 pip. 43 pip, is it? What was my stop here? 41. 41 pips. 2%. 2%. Seems like every time I don't wait for the 30-minute candle to close, I get this happens to me, yeah? Need to try to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. A little more often. A little more often. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so let's see if we get a closure here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, closure beneath here, week up, continue down, and could catch easy like what? I could catch easy pips here. Easy 20, 30 pips here in this range. Ooh, getting a bit of a rejection here. Don't seem like it wanna go down to the downside. Don't seem like it wants to go to the downside. Okay, seems like we're gonna be dropping here. Well, we didn't get the closure. Yep, that's unfortunate. We got it on the 30 here, but we didn't get it on the 15. We didn't get it on the 15, and I think that's important here. That would be a 55 pip stop loss if we break the low here. So let's wait. If we get the 15 to close outside, then we have a chance. There is a chance that we could continue bearish. We need the 15 to close outside. We need the 15. I just stretch this more. This is actually a lot of pips here. It needs to be stretched out to see the significance. Yeah. So yeah, we continue to wait. Now we have closed beneath this zone here. We have closed beneath this zone here, right? So there is a chance that if we close beneath here on the 15, we could continue down. There is that chance, right? There is that chance. So if you look here, you'll see the 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour respecting the previous low as well, right? While still breaking the highs, despite closing bearish. This is also important. So let's see. Could wait for our next 30 closure here to confirm everything. But I think at this time we could wait for like a 15 closure here. And based on how it closes, then could continue bearish. Remember it's volume time as well, so we wait, we wait. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. But what could we do here? Couldn't do anything except have a big stop loss. Like 50 some pip stop loss is insane there. Even if you put under above the 5 minute, yeah, you put above the 5 minute, the same thing. Wait, how is it more? Oh, I see why. Yeah, it's 56 pips, man. That's a lot of pips. That's a lot of pips, man. That's a lot of pips. So we continue to wait. We're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. All we can do is wait right now. Still dropping, still dropping, still dropping. Let's see if an entry is possible here on the 15-minute time frame. We'll want a top wick. We don't want the closure to be too much rejected. Man, this shit is still dropping. Holy shit. Bruh. Bruh. This shit is melting, yo. This thing is melting, man. We're almost halfway to the next support. And this is only a 15-minute support, right? So bear in mind, it could also blast through that. Man, I was saying like this should stay here for the next 2 days, but nope, nope, still going, still going. Holy shit. Okay, one more minute. Now, at this point, right? At this point, you're thinking like, well, normally, right? You'd want to wait for like a pullback, to continue the sales, right? But the way the market has been, it's a bit like it's based on how big of a move you want, you know what you're looking for. But this shit just keeps going, man. Holy hell. Yeah, it's based on like the move you're looking for. Yeah, if this rejects like this, that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, okay, yeah. So no entry here, most likely. Let's see, 5 more seconds. So let's watch this over here. Okay, so top wick made, and I think, okay, no, this is too much. This is 30 pips, so it's not bad. This is 30 pips. Let's keep an eye on it because if it goes to, okay, 40 pips, 40 pips stop loss, I won't go more than that. Yeah, I'm not going more than that. That's 40. Yeah, that's 50 pips there. Yep. I'm not gonna go more than that. Sorry. Sorry. Not going to go more than that. No. This could come all the way back up and create a support on the 30-minute time frame to continue upside. Like the market is just too ridiculous right now to just, yeah, it's insane, man. The market is just insane right now. So this can come all the way back up and close doji or bullish, and we continue to the upside here. Now if this come back and closes doji, break out the high, we in. Same thing like what happened here on the 15th. Yeah. But this would be a stronger confirmation. On the 30, yeah, 30-minute candle closing like this, that's money. That's money. Yeah, this looks like it's correcting the whole move. It should already move like 78, 80 pips. That's just, you know what, 10 minutes. This shit just, oh man, that's cool, man. That's cool. Yeah, so um yeah, so far anything gonna play out here, you know. It's not right now. Maybe next 2 hours. Some shit. So if this closes a week bullish, we could get a break of the low to continue down. Cause that would mean a solid 30-minute closure here. But if it continues up, if it continues up, we can't get nothing. Unless it comes all the way back up. But as it is now, we cannot get nothing. There's nothing there. Mm, mm. Yeah, I'm a bit bored here, actually. Actually, a bit bored here. I already took a loss too, so I'm not really looking forward to much. Mm. This candle closing bearish here. Nah, nope. Nah, let me don't. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we ain't got that here. We ain't got nothing here. We still waiting. No idea what's happening here on go. I did do its thing, man. We'll just wait for like a 30 minute confirmation of some sort. Nothing else we could do but wait. Nothing else we could do but wait. Man, this thing is going right back up, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is gonna have to be a 30-minute closure here. This 1 hour might close very weak. So a 30-minute closure here, I guess, would be the play to wait for. I guess a 30-minute play, 30-minute closure would be the play here. Yeah, for the most part. For the most part. Because if we close up here on the 30, then we have a bullish confirmation for buys, and we'll also have a weak, weak 1 hour candle, rejected candle. So that would be good. So no 15 minute, to hell with the 15 minute. Let's see how the 30 closes. Closes back in the range, we're good to go. Guess we could remove this here, remove this. Yeah. Yeah, this is it, yeah. Let's see how this closes. Could remove this here now. This close bullish, we're in. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, this is more or less becoming like yeah, almost a 1 hour flip here, huh? Yeah. Let the 30 do its thing. We in no rush to enter. We're in no rush to enter. Okay, seems like the first 15 minutes closed with a bit of a rejection there. Yeah, let's see what the next 15 does. I mean, there's a chance it closed down here, right? And we continue down here. Continue bearish. But we'll see. The fact that it came back in this range here says a lot, though. The fact that it came back in here says a lot. And it rejected it, so let's see if we could keep it above. If it could stay above here, then it's gonna continue up. But if not, let's see. All we can do now is wait. All we can do now is wait. man, really not much going on, huh? Really not much going on. Really not much going on at all. Not much going on at all. Really and truly not much going on. If we close like this, there is a chance for us to continue bearish here, right? There are a little 40 pip range here based on the 30. Let's see. I don't think there's any room for buys here, to be honest. Based on how strong this 30-minute candle closes. Ultimately, we just have to wait and see what's up. Okay, so this is looking, this aggressive move down is looking okay. We might be able to get a trade on the break of the low, 30-minute low, break of the support to continue down for at least 40 pip range here. This is a 40 pip range. So from the break of the low come down, we could probably get that move down. Alright, so this is what we're looking at right now. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. His stop loss needs to be small. It should need to drop more. There we go. Drop more, drop more. Need a small stop loss here. It's needed. It's needed. Hmm. Okay. Not as small as we had wish. But I think what we can get, if we get a week up here, I think we can get a break. There we go. So we got a week up. We get a break of the low. I think this would be our entry for price to continue bearish. There we go. I think this is it there. Wow. I actually got stopped out there already. Wow. Wait, how much pips was this shit? 19 pips. Huh. Mm. Okay, more or less two losses here, and I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day, man. I'm done for just lost 19 pips on that sales here after it broke the low. Yeah. So this is me here. I'm gonna head out. Alright, thanks for the tuning in, everyone. Sorry about that. Thanks for tuning in. It's been great. Good to be back after the long little break there for the Easter. Um, from next month, we have some serious trading to do. Um, a lot of things gonna be out of the way for me. I'll be able to focus a bit better. Yeah, yeah. From next month, it's gonna be some really strict trading. I need to have a couple of accounts I need to pass. Right now, I'm at zero funded accounts. Zero. I need to change that going into June. June needs to be, well, May, June, end of May, June needs to be funded account. And hopefully pay out by then as well. So Yeah, I have a lot of work to do. So that's what I've been doing. So doing something grinding, on the outside. I haven't been focused too much on the trading lately. Just trying to gather resources for now. But yeah, until next time, I'm out. Peace.